Alright guys, so before the video starts, don't forget to press subscribe and turn on post notifications right there as seen in this video. Let's get back to
Hi guys, welcome back to the video. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. Today we're gonna have an interesting video, POV while I drive. I've been planning to do this for a while, so hopefully you like it. But let me just give you a simple rundown of the car if you're new to the channel. So basically, I have an M54 swap in an E30. It's nothing much done to apart from a cold air intake and an ECU tune and other components that are supposed to go with the engine and the drivetrain and all those things. So yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, stay tuned for the drive. Let me give you a cold start. Start. So it's not too loud, it's just cool. Yeah. So unfortunately nothing works. The rev counter doesn't work and the speedometer doesn't work and the temperature gauge doesn't work. So wish me luck. Yeah, let's get to it then. Switching to the GoPro now. Yeah, and just like that we're back. I hope the view is good. Seeing on my phone, so I hope it's good. I don't know what that clicking sound is, so I'm gonna have to get it checked tomorrow. So as I was saying before, I got my ECU tuned by a company called Rev Match Motorsports. I got the stage 3 tune, so they've increased my rev limiter and all those things. So I'm gonna give you a light pull after the bend. There's a lot of traffic, not a lot, but traffic lights is just right up there. People just watch you when you try to vlog and have strange stuff on your head. So as you can see, the car drives nicely. There's just a few things I have to get taken care of, like the alignment and the balancing. Aside that, I really want to change my steering wheel, which I might do tomorrow. So this guy has been trying to pick a race with me, this guy. But I don't have time for that. Did you see the look he gave me? Look, he's right behind me again. I gear down, you're not gonna see me again. I'm not trying to race with you. And look at this nice, this beautiful and very clean F10. Is it a 528? That's a nice one. So you can tell with that pull, you can see how the car picks up nicely. Mercedes-Benz owners, come and get your guy. I've finished embarrassing him. Give him way to go. Thank you. Thank you. So these are the kind of compliments I get on a daily basis. Like anytime I drive the car, people come next to me to ask me what I've done. And yeah, as you can see, he really loved it. People actually make offers. Make me a good offer I can't refuse and I'll let the car go. This is how Accra is, this is how Ghana is. And I'm pretty sure in different parts of Africa, it's like this as well. People getting out from the lorries in the middle of the roads, picking up passengers and stuff. But when I put my foot down, now it's all the way down. Pretty sure an accident happened over here somewhere. You can see all the residue on the floor. Turn right, okay. We have a full road, let's see. Second gear pull. Beetle. Hardly. yeah guys, so I think I'll end this video here. This is the outside look of the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, peace.